Alright guys, you know what I'm doing today? We're doing Play-Doh. And the part I like about the time change the most is when you're able to go through some of your toys, like this fun Minion one. Let me move some of this out of the way. Move some of that out of the way. So watch this is really funny. Yeah! We can whoop his hair. Yeah, look at my little fun grill right here. What would any of you guys like in the comments? First, spaghetti over a cheeseburger. Not in the comments, because we have the comments turned off. Okay, so like this video if you like spaghetti. Subscribe if you like hamburgers or cheeseburgers, ham and cheeseburgers. And I can make a popsicle. Like this cool, fun popsicle maker. And Plato is not sponsoring this video today. This is just a fun way to see how kids like my videos. Because I'm doing popular trends. Yeah. Right now, I'm making a popsicle. Squeeze! Squeeze! Alright. Oh, looks like I kind of failed on this one. Let's try again. Kids, when you fail, try again. I learned about that. When we fail, try again. That side of the popsicle.
What are some of the things that you've had to try again with?
School. Not like failing a class and trying to do it, going to do it in next year. I had to try a bunch of assignments over. Like I had to do a bridge assignment.
What other things have you done that with? Where you've had to try again?
A bunch of like sports, like soccer, basketball, tennis. I'm pretty good at tennis, actually. Like my mom thought I was gonna like it. Yeah, she didn't think I was gonna like it. Yeah, and I got the popsicle ready. Like you feel like popsicles. Dip in the sauce. Wow, that was so good. Let's put back. Yeah, and spaghetti. If I can use this.
What about shoe tying?
Oh God.
What does that mean?
I had to try really good.
What are you eating over there?
Some spaghetti. Some like sauce. I don't have sauce on it. It's butter instead. Wow. Yeah, let me clear out the Play-Doh on this. Ah! I'm just gonna satisfying. I'm just going to press some plays in this video. I can see I do my hair like him, and I got my merch on. This video was unexpected. We were just going to play with Plato, me and my mom, and after recording this video. I don't recommend Play-Doh Plus. It gets everywhere.
What's the difference?
It's super ooey and gooey.
Kind of like what?
Slime. My brother and my dad are watching.
Does your Play-Doh last forever?
It doesn't. Well, I know I've had this for like 3 years. That's the longest lasting Play-Doh I've had today. And we had to throw out a bunch because it got all hard and moldy. Yeah, it got all hard and moldy. And clear out all this. Oh yeah, this video was, if this is on your For You page on YouTube, I would consider liking and subscribing because I'm a small channel and I need to grow.
So who do you like to play Play-Doh with?
My mom and my sister. People thought Plato was like a girl thing.
Mm-mm.
Some people thought, but definitely not me.
You got a lot of stuff there.
Yeah, I got this cool fancy girl with this roller. But anybody like a nice fresh? Would anybody like a nice fresh slice of cheese?
Oh, yes, please.
I have a special way I make the cheese. So first, I make it a ball. It's like a recycled cheese.
So I have a question. Do you think Play-Doh is like a relaxing thing to do?
Yes. Very relaxing.
I always find it to be like stress relieving.
I do too. Parents, if you're watching this, I would recommend getting their kids Play-Doh if they have anger issues. Like the day Play-Doh entered my life. The day it entered my life, it was just amazing. And I get Play-Doh every year for Christmas. It's crazy that I get Play-Doh every year for Christmas.
Is that all cheese over there?
Yeah, little cubes of cheese. Would you like any?
Oh, yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Delicioso. Catch.
Yeah.
So I know they have a lot of different sets with
Sets.
Play-Doh and everything. You've had a lot through the years. What kind of set would you recommend for people if they were just beginning?
The girl.
The Growth. That's your favorite one?
Comes with a thing of brown Play-Doh, which I think, let's see if I still can put it. It came with this small thing of brown Play-Doh, and I think this thing of red Play-Doh.
Ah. Who is that over there?
It's great. Alright,
All right. You going to say goodbye?
I have one more thing.
All right.
A few more, actually.
How do you flatten it? Can you flatten something for us?
If I can take some brown Play-Doh out. It gave you a little bit of only like one patty each. So this is a patty maker. I kind of got confused the first time I got it. Like I thought these were both the bun makers because they look like. So I gotta put the.
There's a lot of sirens in the background.
Yeah, that's from the show.
What show is that?
Show about fire.
You like that show?
No, not at all.
What
Brian Josh went crazy.
are you doing?
Making a burger.
But why'd you take the extra, the off the
The
outside?
extras?
Oh, it's extras.
This is like a bun material. I highly recommend this Play-Doh for buns. And when your white Play-Doh gets kind of dried out like mine is right now.
Oh, you choose white for the buns?
Yeah, you just use white for the buns. You have to actually add this Play-Doh on each. And it's bees. What the?
What are you gonna do?
Fix it.
See my hand?
When Play-Doh things break, they're easy to fix because they're meant for children under 3. So, if I'm correctly, if I'm not mistaken, it should snap right back together.
What's that green thing on there?
It's a rolling pin.
Ah.
Heck of dough. Look. That's it. Nice and smooth.
Oh, wow, cool. You have any shapes you can make with that?
I'm gonna
Oh.
make like a roll up, a hamburger. Wow, that's really good.
Nice.
Is anybody, if you have like a good amount of Play-Doh, I would like someone to do something to this video.
Maybe they could post a video and tag you in it.
Yeah.
And hashtag it Loganator Funny Guy.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool.
Let's go change his screen again. I find these cool, like the tractors for the shooters and the things that you squeeze.
Is this all the Play-Doh stuff you have?
No, not at all. Yeah, a little bit more in that bin.
Very cool. All right, Logan, we're going to go. We'll come and play next time.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
He's very busy today.
Yeah,
Hope you have your fun with your inside toys.
hopefully.